Hey guys, I just wanted to give a quick opinion, I guess you could say a small review on this UDI RC FPV quadcopter drone. I actually picked up a couple of these drones for Christmas. I think this one was around $250. Also got this Defender X, Air Defender X. It's only about a $69 model. Picked it up for Christmas too. Been playing around with both these for the last week, and just wanted to kind of give you guys my opinion on them. Like I said, this UDI-RC is a decent beginner drone, it seems like to me. It's around $250. It is super easy to fly. It's made out of plastic, whereas this cheaper $69 Air Defender X is a styrofoam base. You can see I've already cracked it once with it. That was a 40-foot fall. That was another story completely. But this one is really cool. This one actually came with VR goggles, which I haven't tried yet, but pretty much everything else I've tested out on this thing. Got the remote. This is a little holder for your cell phone. Basically what it is, you put the battery there in the bottom. You can see I've got it in there. Plug it in right there, and this drone starts emitting a Wi-Fi signal. And you pick up that Wi-Fi signal on your phone, you download the Vivitar UFO app, and you can see what the camera sees. That's the camera right there. And it's actually, I'll stitch some footage on here, but it's actually pretty decent quality. I was surprised. Now it does get a little laggy if it gets more than, say, 80 or 90 yards away. Starts to get kind of laggy, as is expected with Wi-Fi. These yellow props are, that's the front. Obviously the camera faces that direction, so when you push up on this control stick, the drone's going to go that direction. This thing's really simple to fly. It took me a second to figure out how to get it going. Actually, whenever you put the battery in and then turn the controller on, you hold down this throttle stick and it'll calibrate and beep, and I'll show you in a second. And then you have to put these two sticks in like that into the inside corners, and that starts up the motors. Which is, it took me a few minutes to figure. I actually had to read the manual. It wasn't super obvious. So let's stick a battery in and show you how to start this thing up. Okay, like I said, slide the battery in its spot. Plug it up here. The lights are going to come on. Switch the remote on. It's going to blink. Hold the throttle down. Hear those beeps, you know that it's calibrated and synced up. Now to get the motors going, simply put the sticks to the inner corners like I said. Boom. That's your idle mode. It won't lift up at that speed. As you can see, my battery's dead, so that's all I'm going to get. But you get the idea.